Everyone, welcome to Career Launching. Today we are back with the latest hiring updates. Today we have four new hiring updates, and four of the hirings are from big companies only. So apply with a good ATS friendly resume. Before we move into the video, please subscribe to the YouTube channel and please subscribe to the WhatsApp channel as well. First up, we have hiring from Volvo Group. They are hiring for data analysis engineer, and but this hiring is a bit different because it is a like kind of a training program for especially for people who are on career break and who are returning from their career break. And it is for data analysis engineer, and this is the hiring from Excel Her Volvo Group's initiative, and it is for data analysis engineer, and the primary location is Bangalore. We can see it here. Yeah, we can see. Yeah, about Excel Her program. Are you looking for an opportunity to restart your career? Do you want to join an organization that values your experience no matter when it was gained? We are pleased to introduce Excel Volvo Group's India's career returnship program, as I said. And it is a 9-month assignment, and it provides participants with access to professional development opportunities, mentorship from a business leader, and the chance to work with diverse teams. Okay, if you find this suitable for you, apply for this role, and you need to have basic understanding of data analysis and engineering datasets, interest in AI, ML or intelligent assistants, and programming skills in Python or similar programming languages, ability to work with raw, structured and semi-structured data formats. The hiring criteria is simple. If you find this opportunity suitable for you, apply to this, and it is a good opportunity and good initiative from the Volvo Group. And next up, we have hiring firm Caterpillar. They are hiring for associate engineer hiring 2026. And if you go to apply now, it will redirect you to the careers portal. Okay. Yes. It is the associate hiring for you. The responsibilities include creating new designs and resolves issues regarding the manufacturing and building sequences, ensuring design acceptance and manufacturing readiness. Okay, and the degree requirement is simple. There is no criteria. If you have a background in CS, you can apply. You can see it here. Any engineering degree is okay, and the skills are given here. Knowledge of methods, channels, and processes. If you find this opportunity suitable for you, apply for this role. It is also a good company. Apply to each and every role with a good ATS friendly resume. There will be high chances of getting shortlisted if you apply with only the good resume. Okay, there should be no photos of you in your resume or else any blocks that confuses the ATS. Okay, it should be clear, clean, and the posting date is on August 18th and the deadline is August 31st. So apply before it gets disappeared. Next up, we have hiring from Wipro. Yes, Wipro is hiring for trainee role. It is for Noida location. We can see it here. If we see here, you need to have qualification in BE BTech MCA 2025 pass outs only, and it is you like the agreement is for 12 months, and shift timings are night shifts, I guess. I mean, yeah, 5:30 p.m. to 3 a.m. I think these are rotational. The technical skills include knowledge of software development, SDLC concepts, SAS and mainframe principles, knowledge in simple and complex SQL queries, writes intermediate SQL queries. Okay, you need to have a basic understanding of SDLC concepts, and then you need to have a good amount of knowledge in SQL. If you are good in SQL, this role is for you, and it is the hiring from Wipro for the trainee role, and it is in Noida location, and the shift timings are a bit critical. If you are okay with them, you can apply. You need to fill out this form. Okay. Yeah. Sorry. You need to fill out this form and see, these are the education qualification they are accepting. PE, BTech, MCA, BCom, MCom. So many guys are messaging, so many candidates are messaging us for MCA opportunities or for BSc opportunities. It's hard to like remember everybody and send them individually. What I would like to say is that follow every opportunity because we cover hirings for everybody. Yes. So it's like a bit of difficult to identify each and every opportunity suitable for everyone. So I cannot like search in the chats and then send them the suitable opportunity. So what I would like to say is that whatever we post in the group, please like follow and first see the qualifications or eligibility criteria. If it's suitable for you, you can apply for that opportunity, because it is hard for us to like search for you guys, because we can't. I reply as much as possible, even if it takes time. We reply to the people. We say that when we find the opportunity, we'll let you know. But there are lots of candidates who are texting us, so it is hard for us to like identify you. So if you are watching this video and one of the MCA candidates, like 2 days ago I spoke with them. If you're watching this video, you can apply for this role. And year of pass outs, they said 2025 pass outs only, but here they have given the option as 2025 and 2026. You need to provide your college, and yeah, this is all about the Wipro hiring. And next up, we have hiring from Barclays, and it is for Pune location. If you have Java background, this location, sorry, this hiring is for you. They are asking for location, so I was telling location to you. Hmm. Yeah. If you have a Java background, this hiring opportunity is good opportunity for you. Barclays, a good MNC, is hiring for software engineer for Java developers. Okay, they're looking for Java developers, and this hiring is primarily happening in Pune. Considering the job market, you should be able to like adapt to the new locations as well. After that, you can get your preferred locations, and you need to have basic or essential qualifications: Java, Spring Boot, and microservices. Okay, minimum qualification is just a bachelor's degree, so any degree candidates can apply. And we can see you tomorrow. Thank you for watching the video. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thank you all.